Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling something every Forex and CFD trader must know: how to calculate pips directly on TradingView. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to measure pip movement in just a few seconds using a couple of simple tools. So whether you're brand new to TradingView or just want a faster way to track your trades, you're in the right place. Let's dive straight in. The Measure Tool. First, let's talk about the Measure tool. Think of this as your digital ruler for price charts. On the left-hand toolbar in TradingView, look for the small ruler icon and click it. Now click anywhere on your chart where you want your measurement to begin. Don't let go yet. Hold your mouse and drag it to the price level you want to compare. As soon as you release, look at the numbers on the right side of the chart. You'll see the pip value along with the percentage change and the price difference. This is perfect when you want a quick answer like, how many pips did price move during that news candle? Or what's the distance between this support and resistance? Fast, simple, and instant, just like measuring a piece of wood before cutting it, except here you're measuring price movement. The Price Range tool. Next up is the Price Range tool. You'll find it in the same toolbar. It looks like two arrows, one pointing up and one pointing down. Click it, then just like before, click your starting point and drag to your ending point. Once you release, the pip distance appears on the right side, but with one bonus: the tool creates a shaded bar between the 2 points. This makes it incredibly easy to visualize the entire range. I like using this when I'm mapping out trades, checking the distance between recent highs and lows, or measuring a potential breakout area. If you're a visual learner, this tool will feel amazing. The Short Position tool. Now let's talk about the Short Position tool, perfect for planning short trades with precise pip measurements. Look for the icon with a red arrow pointing down. Click where you want to enter your trade. A box will appear, split into red and green sections. In the center, you'll see numbers showing your pip risk or pip gain. As you drag the stop loss and take profit lines, TradingView automatically updates the pip values for you. This is incredibly helpful because it removes all the manual math. You'll instantly know how many pips you're risking, how many pips you're targeting, and how your trade setup looks visually. This tool is essential for building disciplined, well-planned trades. Final thoughts. And that's it. Those are 3 powerful ways to calculate pips directly inside TradingView: the Measure tool, the Price Range tool, and the Short Position tool. Each one offers something useful, and with a bit of practice, pip calculations will feel completely natural. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to drop a like. Got questions or want more TradingView tips? Just comment below. I read every one, and I'm always happy to help. And don't forget to subscribe for more trading tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.